Dear learners, we are going to learn about the basics of HTML in this video. We will be learning about the HTML, its versions, the elements and tags, the text editor, a HTML page structure, and a sample HTML program. Let us learn about HTML. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. It is used to design web pages using a markup language. HTML is a combination of hypertext and markup language. Hypertext defines the link between web pages. A markup language is used to define the text document within the tag which defines the structure of web pages. This language is used to annotate text so that a machine can understand it and manipulate text accordingly. HTML describes the structure of a web page. It consists of series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser how to display the content. HTML documents written with this text tell browsers how to interpret and display the data. HTML documents can be identified by the file extension .htm or .html. HTML standards are set and maintained by an international group called the World Wide Web Consortium (W3C). The rules that govern how HTML is written are defined by this consortium. Next, we will learn about the HTML versions. HTML is a markup language used by the browser to manipulate text, images, and other content in order to display it in the required format. HTML was created by Tim Berners-Lee in 1991. The first ever version of HTML was HTML 1.0, but the first standard version was HTML 2.0, published in the year 1995. Then came the HTML3 in 1997, then 4 in 1999, and HTML 4.01 in 2012. In 2014, the HTML5 was introduced. Let us see about the HTML editors. HTML editors are used to create and modify web pages. HTML codes can be written in any text editor, including the Notepad. One just needs to write the HTML in any text editor and save the file with an extension .html or .htm. Some of the popular HTML text editors are Notepad, Sublime Text Editor, Atom, and Visual Studio Code. Notepad is the standard text editor that comes with Microsoft Windows operating system. To start Notepad in Windows, follow the steps below. On the Start button located on your Windows taskbar, click on the Programs and then click Directory menu labeled Accessories. Now locate the shortcut Notepad and click the shortcut once. The Notepad will open. Now you can start typing the HTML code. We shall now look at the basic structure of a HTML page. Basic structure of a HTML page is given below. It contains the essential building block elements upon which all web pages are created. Now let us examine each of these building blocks one by one. First, every HTML page will start with a doc type HTML. This is the document type declaration. It declares a document as being a HTML document. The doc type declaration is not case sensitive. Next comes the HTML root element. All other elements are contained within it. Next comes the head element. The head tag contains the behind the scenes element for a web page. Elements within the head aren't visible on the front end of a web page. HTML elements used inside the head elements include style, title, meta. The title, which is given here, will be displayed on the top of your browser when you visit a website and contains the title of the web page that you are viewing. Next comes the body section. The body tag is used to enclose all the visible content of a web page. In other words, the body content is what the web browser will show you on the front end. Now in this example, we have included two other tags called the heading tag and paragraph tag, which we will look at in the next slides. Every HTML document has to start with the HTML tag and end with the HTML tag. It contains two subsections called the head and the body. Let us now have a look on the HTML elements and tags. HTML uses predefined tags and elements which tell the browsers how to properly display the content. Tags are quotes enclosed in brackets. The tags are usually paired. That is, for example, you can see the title tag here. There is a starting tag called title and an ending tag with the slash title. The tags are not case sensitive. An HTML element is a collection of start and end tags with the content inserted in between them. HTML elements are building blocks of web pages, representing different types of content such as headings, paragraph, links, and images. Every HTML element will have three of the following: opening tag, closing tag, and the content. Opening tag is used to tell the browser where the content material starts. Closing tag is used to tell the browser where the content material ends. It is the actual content material inside the opening and the closing tag which is situated in between the tags. Here in this slide you can see the tag name. At the beginning it is the open tag, and in between you can see the content, and at the end you can see the closing tag. The closing tag always starts with a front slash. You can see here a basic HTML document. This HTML document is a simple page which contains a title. The title, it is named as sample document. And next you can see the body. Here we have displayed only a text called as Welcome to SJC. Only this text will be displayed in the web page. And additionally, we have added some attributes to the body tag like BG color. It means the background color. The background color of your web page will be green, and the text will be depicted in red color. The body tag has to be closed and the HTML tag also needs to be closed appropriately. Now to set the body background color, as we have already discussed, this is the tag and the BG color is the name of the attribute. And if you want to set the text color, then you can use the attribute called as text. And this is the sample program which you have typed in the notepad. So you have to type this program in the notepad and save it with an extension .html. Now I have saved this file like sample.html. Now we have to open this page in the web browser like a Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, etc. So once you open this file in a web browser, you can see an output like this. So here you can see a page displayed with the background of green color and the text Welcome to SJC, which is depicted in red color. Dear learners, in this video, we have learnt about a basic HTML document, its structure, and a simple HTML program. Hope you found this video useful. Thank you.